So hey guys, hello and welcome back to another video where we are going to test ride a newly launched motorcycle for you guys. Well, it is this one. No, I'm just kidding. It is not this one. It is this one where it is 250 FI version of the newly launched Gixxer. So here we have it guys, Gixxer 250 it is. Let's go. Whoa, first impression, the engine is super smooth. And it does pick up the power really very well. Engine is very refined. Ooh, it packs some power. Dude, it packs some power. In the direct sunlight, I am facing some issue with the display because it is black and not very contrasty. $250, yes, it is the thing. Even decelerating this thing is a joy. Brakes are really good. Man, this thing is powerful. So guys, I was supposed to compare 150 and 250 together, but here they don't have 150 with them. So that's a bummer for me. But let me tell you, the seating posture is very good. It is sporty yet comfortable. You don't feel tired and you won't feel tired on long rides, and the power delivery is very good. As you can see, now I am in 4000 rpm, but when I give the throttle, it picks up the power and picks up the speed really quick. So kudos to Suzuki. The styling, the power, the engine is very refined and good. Mirrors are a little bit small. ABS is switched on, so it feels very sporty. I must say, it feels very sporty. The clip-ons are new. They were not there on the older version of Gixxer. Bike is flickable, as you can expect it with the sporty commuter. Bike is pretty flickable.